Conductive epoxy is also a great method to connect PV cells to a PC board. To do this, we expose backside contacts onto the PV cell and have a corresponding layout on the PC board. You can use the benefit of this process is that it can be set up on a traditional SMT line where our PV cells can be loaded onto trays or reels and fed into the line like a traditional part. For now, I will just show with placing dots with a syringe. You will need to apply a weight on top of the panel or place mechanical non-conductive glue dots next to the panel for increased mechanical strength during the curing process. In this video, we're using Electrobond 17, which is a two-part room temperature cured conductive epoxy that we've tested that has really great mechanical and electrical properties. And even though it's not cured, we're able to see that we can measure a voltage across the panel. This is an outdoor panel, so it's not going to have a great output in this indoor environment, but we can see that we're still seeing a voltage and that we have connected to the PV cell. Again, the pros of a conductive epoxy is that it can be set up for high volume manufacturing on an SMT line. The cons is the mechanical and electrical, you have to match the properties of the conductive epoxy to the electrical and the mechanical needs of your application. If you need that increased mechanical stability, you may want to apply mechanical solder dots as in addition to the conductive epoxy. If you are expecting your application, your PC board, so say you're on a flex board, you may want to get a conductive epoxy that is rated for flexure. So there's a lot of different options, and you just match and find a conductive epoxy that meets your needs from a manufacturing and an application perspective.